your facility employees through the years? Do you have challenges or attracting to rural areas? Like, what's the workforce availability like?
Absolutely. That is not only here, I guess in a sense in healthcare in general.
Yes, absolutely.
It's been a challenge, and I believe that was part of our previous conversations regarding staffing. And we see an aging population amongst our guys here. I've had recently had a guy who retired with 28 years, another guy elected to leave with 27 years. So, replacing those people are really, really difficult.
Yeah.
Hiring young people seems to be the challenge. We've posted several positions, openings, and the people that are actually seeking jobs in healthcare are older guys, maybe guys who are already established in their finances and just looking for something to hold them over till they get to the retirement age, which is not a bad thing. But when it comes to succession, that's difficult, especially in the way we feel in healthcare. It's you can come in with a set of skills that maybe you can do plumbing and you can do some electrical and you can do some refrigeration work, but actually coming in and learning how to operate with those skills in a healthcare environment is always a challenge. And in my opinion, I think 2 years of minimum as far as the time to get someone ready to actually be acclimated to the building and the environment and being able to operate independently.